Sunilji, your view on NSDL in particular. I'd like to understand your thesis on NSDL. I remember CDSL has been one of your favorite stocks along with CAMS. These are all the back end of this financialization theme. Now, how are you looking at NSDL? I'll just check the price and inform our viewers. This is at 1247, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes. So, Shailji, I think the entire theme remains in terms of both the players to be a part of one's portfolio. It's not selecting one or the other. The reason being that with time you will see one stock give a good amount of return over a 6 months or a 1 year period, and the other catch up will certainly happen from the other players. So rather than picking one at any point of time, it's better to play 100% of the available opportunity by investing in both the companies. Now, NSDL, the IPO, which had come at about 850 rupees or so, and is quoting at about 1200 or so, I think the price is reasonable enough, and one should, maybe park in both the companies to really capitalize rather than picking one of the two and then see the other one go up. So I think that would be more prudent rather than to select any one of the two.
Okay, let's get the long-term chart of CDSL. I think this is 1:1 bonus or 5:1 split.
It's 1:1 split. Bonus.
Right.
1:1, which has happened for CDSL. Yeah.
Correct. So effectively, this is a 3,000 rupee stock in terms of value, and somewhere in 2020, this was going begging at 200 rupees.
Yes.
And we've had a 15x, ladies and gentlemen, on CDSL. So please note the kind of wealth that has been created, and NSDL has recently got listed. Now, Sunilji, NSDL handles the institutional part of the business of dematerialization, which is 80% of volume, and CDSL looks at retail. Am I right?
Yeah, NSDL looks at institutional on the contract part of it.
Yes.
Plus, there are a lot of large cap unlisted companies which are in the fold of NSDL. So, whenever those large cap companies get listed, which are from the government side, NSDL will have a role to play. CDSL is a proxy of the retail participation in this entire, online brokers which have got strong foothold in the markets. So hence I'm saying that one point of time you might see good companies getting listed, and NSDL getting fancy in the market. On the other side, you will see retail participation pick up if the market is really becoming strong. So the business model, given that both of them are depositories, are one, but underlying their classification of the clients is significantly different. So you will see run up in one at one point of time. Hence, I'm trying to say that it's better to play both of them rather than pick one of the two.
I think that's a very practical advice for those who've made money in CDSL. They may want to sell a part of their CDSL holding and diversify it into NSDL, and those who still feel that even after a 15x rally there is steam left in CDSL, then why not enjoy both? I have a lovely correlation right here in front of me. Maybe I'll share it on my Twitter feed, and also list and also tag Sunilji on comparisons between CDSL and NSDL on net profit, net margin, ROE, PE and price to book. Ladies and gentlemen, CDSL price to book is 16, NSDL price to book is 4, and CDSL return on equity is 30%, that of NSDL is 18%. Be that as it may, you will see the entire jing bang on my Twitter account fairly shortly. So these are interesting thoughts that you are sharing with us, Sunilji. What else apart from Gabriel, Uno Minda, NSDL and CDSL looks attractive to you at current prices?
So as I stated, we are in a bottoms up market because the liquidity is not what it was in the past. We'll not see a rally across the market across all stocks. So we'll clearly see companies and businesses in which there is some underlying factor or reason for a change. Now, one such company that I'm evaluating, looking at is India Shelter Housing.
Okay.
India Shelter Housing is also an NBFC which is in the business of housing finance, which apparently sounds like a commodity type of a business because there is nothing which is differentiating product wise in terms of one player versus the other. Having stated that, I think in India Shelter Housing Finance, for people who have been in the markets for a long period of time, know a company by the name of Gruh Finance.
Yes.
Gruh Finance was a subsidiary of HDFC, and that eventually got merged with Bandhan Bank.
आपने
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.